It's 2 a.m. I can hear the silence, and I know exactly what's coming. The fan request is imminent. But I'm a director of IT, so I don't walk the switches. I automate everything to keep the peace. Alexa, turn on the bedroom fan. So now you have another piece to your blueprint. Make sure you head over to my TikTok profile so you can score you some Tech Dad gear. And remember, if you found this useful and you're not already one of my followers, hit that button and join the squad. Tech made easy.